clouds. Okay, so let's see. Hiccups are... Maybe, you know what? You're going to grow up to become a scientist, maybe. You can explain pop hiccups are. Oh, Dougie, look. There's a, it's a hot dog thing. Hot dog roller. Who the heck throws this out? Looks like we're stopping at the pound today, Dougie. Gotta bring home some dogs with this. Just these? Nope. Yeah. Okay. Smell, Dougie, smell it. That's probably not actually it. Yeah, these are still cold. Something smells good. Remember, Dougie, all good things take time. I remember back when I was a teenager, these are cold. Guess this doesn't work, huh, Dougie?